Hello, dear viewers. Today's insightful video topic is a comprehensive product comparison. Why exactly is this particular feature utilized? Where exactly can you effectively utilize this particular feature, and precisely how does one go about implementing it within a system? This is precisely what we will thoroughly explore and learn about in today's comprehensive video presentation. This incredibly useful feature is specifically designed and intended so that while you are actively browsing and surfing the internet, you can conveniently place various different products side by side, allowing for a detailed and thorough comparison of their essential features, their respective prices, customer reviews, or indeed many other significant and relevant aspects. Apart from this, how does it help you, and what convenience does it provide for your user? That convenience is this. It makes decision making easier, saves time, and helps with a detailed comparison between two products. So let's suppose you want to add this to the home page. You can definitely add it to the home page. If you want to add it to the shop page, you can absolutely do that as well. If you want to add it to the detail page, you can do that as well. Right now, what we have open is basically a detail page. We will meticulously edit the product detail page using Elementor primarily because we genuinely want to prominently display the comprehensive product comparison feature directly on it. So we have edited our page with Elementor. As soon as our page is edited in Elementor, we will start our further procedure. Right now, you can see that our page has almost loaded in Elementor. In just a few short moments from now, you will be fully capable of observing and comprehending the intricate visuals, the comprehensive and detailed display of the entire page, and you will also possess the complete ability to implement various modifications and make necessary adjustments to that very page, ensuring it meets your specific requirements and preferences. Yes, so you can see that your page has been edited with Elementor. We want to add a product comparison feature at the end of this page. So let's suppose we add a container. We assign full width to that container. Now inside it, when you click on add an element again, type in comparison. So you'll see a widget called product comparison appear. Place it there. When you place it, you'll see that you have two options, product comparison and images comparison. Right now, we'll do product comparison. The image you see right now is basically the image of the product we've opened. If you want to assign a second product ID, or if you want to add a different product here, you simply need to add the relevant ID here. Let's suppose 318. Where will you get this ID from? Go to your admin dashboard. You have a products tab there. Go to the products section. If you carefully hover your mouse over any particular product, you will be able to clearly see its unique identification number or ID. Let's suppose the specific ID we currently have in mind is 1193, but for this demonstration, we will instead be utilizing 1180. We've entered 1180. We will carefully save all of our recent changes and then thoroughly check and verify whether the essential comparison product feature is being correctly and prominently displayed on our designated web page or not, ensuring its proper functionality and visibility. We will now proceed to the very bottom of our current page where we have successfully incorporated the comprehensive product comparison feature. So at this point, you can clearly observe that the essential product comparison functionality has been fully added, and we are now able to conveniently view the detailed product comparison. You can see that we had added two products and both are being displayed. Furthermore, you have its settings. Now, let's suppose, for example, that you specifically want to compare various product images. Then, in that particular scenario, you will need to add those relevant images. Let's suppose, for instance, that we proceed to add these images into the system. We are now adding the second image to our project. This image is being incorporated to further enhance the visual presentation and provide additional context for the information being conveyed. You can also easily upload your own images, but if you prefer to utilize a picture that is already available from the extensive media library, you can certainly choose an appropriate image from there as well. Now let's suppose for the second image, we select this one. Now we have added two images. Now if you want to change the titles of these, you can do that as well. You have a place for the titles of both images. Now save your changes. After successfully saving your changes, please refresh your web page once again and carefully check whether your modifications have been accurately reflected or not. Your page has loaded and you can see the two images you added. The comparison product feature is now fully working and displayed above both of the images. You can see it. Further, if you are in the styling phase, you can style it however you find suitable in any way you want. You have multiple options. You can change the text color and you can change the typography. You can check the height of the container. If you want to increase the height, you can do that. If you want to decrease it, you can do that as well. Similarly, as I mentioned, you have the product comparison feature and the image comparison feature. And if you want to change this icon here, you also have the option to do that. You can change the icon's appearance. Let's suppose you want to use an arrow. Save your changes. You can see that the arrow has been applied. We have successfully saved our recent changes, and now we will proceed to reload the entire page to meticulously observe and confirm if our modifications have finally been accurately reflected or not. You can clearly see that the arrow icon feature that we have thoughtfully added is now properly and accurately reflecting all of our recent changes. If you want to use images, you can also add large images that have a significant width. As you can clearly see, it is currently hovering directly over the entire visible page because the primary main container that we meticulously set is indeed set to a full and complete width. If we box it, its display will become a bit smaller. You can clearly see this. We will meticulously save all of our recent modifications and important changes that we have made to ensure their persistence. Following this crucial step, we will then proceed to thoroughly and carefully check whether these specific changes, which we have just implemented, have been accurately and successfully reflected in the system or application as intended, confirming their proper integration and functionality. So viewers, this was the compare product feature that we added at the end of the page. Now you can see that we have set it to box view instead of full width. So now you can add as many images as fit in the box and you can display your comparison feature accordingly. You can see that the product comparison feature is currently in working condition. So in this video, we saw what the comparison product feature is for, where we can place it and how we can implement it. I hope you won't have to face any confusion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.